Hi guys! Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome. And today I have my Eyescream Beauty box. This is February's box. I know it's March now, but they always ship out late. And this time, one of their suppliers had a problem, family problem or something, and it was a small business. So that's why it's taken so long this time. And they were waiting on that product. So I also wanted to mention, that today's perfume of the day, or week, we have day, is La Bella perfume oil. It's 20 ml. And I'll leave the link to this down below. Now this is a more floral scent, and I do like it. And I've had it on for some time now, and it hasn't affected my asthma by itself, so that's good. But this is what it looks like. We'll just do this one first before so I don't forget it. And then this is what the bottle looks like. Here's the label. That is what the bottle looks like. And then, also you should know, it's one of these type. And this smells really good, it does. It's not totally floral, it has floral in it, and I believe it has like citrus and things like that in it. So, I'll leave the notes down below, because I can't remember what they are, and I had them written out somewhere, and now I've lost it. So, well goodness, that's okay. So anyway, now we'll get to the beauty box, what you came for. Okay, this is $25 a month, and that's delivered. With that, you get 5 to 7 full-size items, I believe it is. And that includes shipping. So, and they are full-size items. And every month, you're guaranteed at least one palette. Okay, now I did take the peanuts out of this box because I get them all over my house. But they ship them with those dissolvable peanuts. So it's earth-friendly. And then every month you get one of these cards to tell you the name of everything in your box. And usually they have some kind of theme. And this time it says, Love Always Wins is the theme. So we'll just go through these. And this month we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Now 2 must be together because there's only 5 items here. So we'll just go through them one by one. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out, where's this? I'm trying to see. Okay, this is ATH Lip Gloss by Floss Beauty. And this is color, which is ATH Opaque Finish, it says. New favorite lip gloss, it says. So we'll just take her right out of here. We'll just see about that. And it's one of these tube kinds. But it has this kind of doe foot applicator. Now I'm just going to put it right here. Now remember, on your lips it will look slightly different because you're going to have a red, I already have lip stuff on, so it won't really. But it won't. Now it's very smooth. It's very, very smooth. I like it. It's very slick, but it doesn't have any stick to it, It's very slick, and I like them slick. I just do. So this is valued at $16. And I'll put the prices and the links down below of everything I can find, because I usually have to search for the links, but I'll put the prices down and the names and all that down below like I always do. And also link to the beauty box. They also have a bag that is cheaper. It's $12.50, and then I believe you pay, I think it's $1.99 shipping. But I'll have all that down there too. But with that, you're guaranteed 3 to 5 items. And you get a pallet. So, you know, whichever one is better for you. And, of course, you don't have to do any. Okay, and these are, this is from Babe Beauty. And it's blush and blush to go set. And it's valued at $42. And this would be the set, I suppose. So, let's just start with this one. But both of them together are $42 in value. You know, if you were to go buy it. And this, does it have a color number? No, it's coral. Goit. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, it's got a seal. Okay, here we go. This, look how pretty that is. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, the hinges on the back. Always got them. Oh, that's very kind of orange for me, but oranges look so good on my mom. But I don't know, when you put it on, it's a little bit pinker. You know, I'm going to do a whiter swatch here just because it's a little bit pinker. It's very satiny. When you touch it, it's very satin feeling. Very posh feeling. That's what it feels like. I'm getting ready to get all my stuff for one of my granddaughter's graduation. So, and now here's the... I'm going to put my glasses back on. Sorry, people. Yeah, I'm trying to get a to-go bag for just my makeup. So, this is Blushing Blush. This is the color. This is the front. And this is the color. Okay, now let's open her up. I think I like this color better, but I like the way they gave you one to go and then one to, you know, a bigger one, but you could use anyway. But I like that they gave you 2 different colors. I do like that. Okay, here, I got it open. I got her. That was pretty quick for me. Usually I have to pause it, and I have had a time. I had my whole setup up, and then it wouldn't, for some reason, I would hit the button and it wouldn't start. So I whacked it out of position, put it back in position. Okay, and this is what this one looks like. This is the one that's supposed to be to go, but you know, that one's to go also. I mean, you could just throw it in your purse. It's not. Okay, and this is the way this one opens. You know, I like this color. I really like this color. Look at that. And I will swatch it for you, because I will probably keep this one. Now, this is a little Barbie pinkish, but I believe if you mix the two together, let's see what happens if you mix the two together. Let's do that here. See, if you mix the two together, I think you actually have a perfect color for me. So, you know, and you can do any version of those too. So, yeah, I will be keeping this. My sister has a very olive tone to her skin. My mom looks good in oranges. So it's like, we're just a crazy bunch. Okay, and then next, did I tell you those were $42 together? Yeah, $42 together. Then this one is, I believe, this one would be, I can't even see a name on it, quite honestly. Oh, this is Charmacy. I just saw it. No, here it is. It is double-sided duochrome eyeliner by Charmacy Global, and it's valued at $12. There's that. I'll show you again when I get this plastic off of it so you can get a better view. Yeah. And this is a duochrome. Oh, here's the, I told you I'd show you again, I forgot. They're coming fast. Okay, this is a dual-ended. No, it's a duochrome. That's what it is. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is what it looks like inside. And I will swatch. I can't really tell if it's purple or blue, so I'm going to make it a thick swatch so you can judge. And then I'll do a light one beside it, because you know, it's fine. It's one of those markers. But I'm not seeing the duochrome. I'm not seeing the duochrome. Maybe you can. I don't know. I'm not seeing it. But anyway, that's valued at $12. I believe I said that, but that's okay. We'll say it twice. Are y'all listening? I gotta say everything twice. Yeah, it's kind of like raising a teenager, isn't it? Now, this is a Spacebound highlighter. That's that. And it's valued at $12. And I'll tell you what, this box had a lot of indie brands in it, but I've noticed a lot of higher end products are starting to be wise to them. But, and they do have, this is a common brand with them. I don't know if it's their brand or one of their brands or not, but they, I've noticed a lot of the bigger companies are starting to every now and then come in too. And really people are getting wise to them because it's a heck of a value. But anyway, this is a highlighter. So, let me open her up. It looks like that. It looks more like a highlighter when you get it out of there. But I don't know. Oh, I guess it is. Look, when you put it on your finger. Oh, yes. Alright, what the heck's going on? Why am I getting in and out? Oh, that's what it is. It's focusing on my finger. Never mind. There's your... Right here is the highlighter. And I'll just put it right between these two. I'm going to double coat it because where it's at. That's almost exactly my skin tone, which is great because you don't find them like that. It's either really, really white or it's, and this is $12. I don't know if I told you before, but I'm telling you again. Don't make me tell you a third time. That's, I used to always tell my son, I'm warning you. This is your warning shot. He knew. Oh no, Mom's got something in her head. It's going to embarrass me right now. Because I learned early. With teenage boys, sometimes you just got to embarrass them to make them stop. So, then this month's palette is Lovesick by Wicked Widow. Let's see if I can get it where it's not there. And this is valued at $36. So, I mean, this alone pays for your box. I mean, a lot of these things, you know, this or the blushes pay for themselves, or even if you just got the other two things, you know. So, the value's always there. And now this has got a magnetic closure, which I do like. Well, this is, oh, so interesting. Okay, I'll show you now. I'm over it. But look at this. I'm going to flip it. And I'm trying not to blind you with the mirror because, but look at those. That is such interesting colors. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but like this, pink, yeah, you can tell. See, there's white in there, and the same thing with this one, and this one. So I'm just kind of, it's like got specks. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to do these glitters first. It's got 4 mattes and 4 glitters, so this is Love Like Winter. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. I'm going to do it right here. Oops, I had a little fallout because I just kind of pressed too hard. But that was me. That wasn't them. That's that color. And then we'll do Fall For You. Just so I can just go in a row here. And look at that. Okay. And it's going to go here. These are one swoop. See it? See how pretty that is? Oh, those are gorgeous. Okay, then we'll go, I'll do the white glitter. Oh, I forgot to show you. The white glitter is called Goodnight Moon, which that is very pretty. And I can see that now that I'm, you know, and that's right there. And then the last one is Memories. Okay, I'm going to do that one on this one. And that's a copper to a purple, I think. Yeah, it's like a copper to a purple. It's really pretty. These are pretty. Look at that. And those are the 4 that were so different. I don't think when I go to thin out my palettes, I don't think this is what I'm going to thin out because I have nothing like this. And I have a lot. So then I'll go and do this one. This one is, these are the mattes. And it's Worlds Apart. And I'll just do them on top of them. And then Letting Go. Which, you know, see, there's Worlds Apart and Letting Go. And then Come Back Home. And I see how they're kind of going with this. If you see, it's like you could use this for a base and this for a topper. Or you could, you know, yeah. I see what they're doing. And then this is Lost Words. And this one's this one. So, yeah. Nice. But I don't see this being one that I would probably ever thin down because I have nothing like this. I have nothing like this. And I mean, you know, I have quite a bit of makeup in there. And I have nothing like this. So this I definitely intend to use. You know, it's like everything else, though. My intentions are always... But yeah, I really like... And I see the color story of the whole box. See, here's the blushes. Here's the eyeliner. I can see this eyeliner with that would be just gorgeous. So, and then the lip on top of it. So yeah, I can see the whole story here. It's really very, very pleased with this box this month. Very pleased. And you know how it goes. If you like what you see here, come on back. Join us. We do all kinds of unboxings. And yes, here lately I have done a little bit more Temu and subscription beauty boxes. But I've got unclaimed mail coming. I got mystery boxes. I got all kinds of stuff coming. So just come on back. Join us. Bye.